Hello, my name is Nakisa. I am the founder of Love Maman Superfood. Maman in Farsi means mama, and the idea behind my brand is a love and quest of a mother healing her family from various ailments. We were on these restriction diets and we were not able to find a real superfood out there in the market that can not only feed our body but is also delicious. So I started this nut butter living food that is infused with ghee, which is a brain food. It's clarified butter, and I added some superfood like goji berry to it, and I made these spreads that are sprouted and stone ground. When you sprout nuts and seeds, you increase the bioavailability and the nutrient density of the food in it. And also, when you stone ground, you keep the enzymatic activity still alive. So it's very easy to digest. People with gut issues can appreciate my products, and people on restriction diet can appreciate my products. We accommodate paleo, keto, vegan, and people on Weston A. Price Foundation dietary restrictions, people on GAPS diet, on anti-inflammatory diet. And because I don't add any additives, any preservatives, any sugar, any processed sugar, we only sweeten our products with raw, unfiltered, sustainable honey. It's very easy for the people who are on carbohydrate restricted diet to enjoy our products also. Our products are very versatile. You can use them on your toast, you can spread them on your toast, in your coffee, in your smoothie, or you can bake with them. Although because it's a living food, I don't recommend baking with them, but you could. You can, inside the croissant, you can do it. And we are eco-friendly company, so all of our products are earth friendly, and I hope you enjoy our products.